Hey, how you doing, everyone? It's Jamie G here. I want to say a massive thanks for joining me here in this training. Now, what I'm going to show you guys is a way for you to set up your own unique ATM machine. Now, I know I'm going to get a lot of eye rolls when people hear that. They think, Jamie, what are you talking about? No, you can't just put something out there and it spits out money. Well, going through this process should give you a high probability of actually getting something happening in terms of your affiliate business. So I'm going to put plant the seed for you guys. And if you do want to follow along and take action on this, I reckon it's going to work pretty damn well. So if this is your first time here, my name is Jamie G. I cover internet marketing, affiliate marketing, how to get started online, and pretty much so. If that's of interest, guys, join me. Feel free to hit the subscribe button. And don't forget to smash that bell icon to stay up to date with everything I'm putting out. All right, so what do we got? We're on a website called neilpatel.com/Uber Suggest. Now, if you're not familiar with Neil, he is somewhat of an SEO guru. He's got an awesome YouTube channel and obviously his blog as well. Covers absolutely everything in terms of SEO, and he's all over it all the time. So highly recommend you check it out. But he does have some really funky tools, and one of which is Uber Suggest. Uber Suggest will give you information and insights on different keywords that are ranking, and it covers everything from number of backlinks pointing to them, the difficulty that they are to outrank them, the average cost per click if you're wanting to use paid traffic to get ahead of those different sites, etc. So pretty cool. Like I say, it is free. And if you would like to follow along and follow what I'm about to teach you guys, just click that link below. Now, because my recording software doesn't like when I start searching for things online, it tends to crash. It's something I'm trying to fix, by the way. I'm just going to bounce over to this other tab over here. Where I've already put in a thing. So all you need to do is put in a keyword or a domain. It's going to, for the domain, it's actually going to give you information regarding that domain and basically number of backlinks, difficulty to outrank, et cetera, right? So if you use a keyword, which is what I've done here, Builderall, it will pump out the search volume, the difficulty to rank above it, the difficulty to advertise above it, and the cost per click, plus some other metrics as well. Now, the reason why I chose Builderall, I'm an affiliate for Builderall. By the way, if you would like to join my team, I do offer coaching, funnels, training, and basically anything you need to help you build a sustainable business online. Just go to businessgrowth.company and join my team. I would really appreciate it. Otherwise, there is a link below. Once again, if you do want to become part of my team, it would be awesome. Anyways, Builderall. Now, again, the reason why I chose this is because it is comparatively a low competition keyword as per compared to say ClickFunnels, things like that. Now, I'm sure you could do it for other things, and I would encourage you to use your imagination with this because it probably will work with pretty much anything you're looking to review. So in this case, we're looking at Builderall. So what the number of searches, etc., etc. But this is where the strategy comes into play and why I think that this will work absolutely amazing. So, okay, let's have a look at the list of keywords that we've been given. There are more available, but these are the sort of top ones. Okay, Builderall, of course, that makes sense. There's a lot of people searching for Builderall login because people can't remember their login, I guess. I find that really unique, to be honest. But anyway, Builderall review. So now we're getting warmer. If you imagine that Builderall it's quite broad. So it could be anything. It could be Builderall chat functionality, Builderall webinars, Builderall site builder, Builderall affiliate, blah, blah. So therefore, it's just people looking for information. So you can, of course, provide information by all means. But what's more important, what's more powerful is if someone is looking with a buyer intent. Okay, so now looking at that list, hopefully there's one that sticks out to you right down the bottom there. It is Builderall free trial. Of course, the search volume is very low, 210 per month. You're not going to, get many people on that. But having said that, because it's so small, not many people are probably bothering to try and rank for that keyword. But in my mind, I'm like, well, that's an obvious answer. Look at the cost per click, nearly $4.50 just to get a click. Now, assuming that your landing page actually works and you can actually get trials, let's say for argument's sake that you got a 20% opt-in rate. I don't know what that is. What the actual stats are. I'm just throwing something out there. So that means that for every 10 people you send to a landing page, you might only get 2 opt-ins. If you're lucky, you might have 30 or 40% conversions. Even if we go on conservative figures, let's say 20%. It shouldn't be that you got issues if it's that low, but anyway, it doesn't matter. So let's just say it's 20%. It's going to cost you $44.80 to send 10 clicks to your website to get 2 opt-ins. Now, that's no guarantee they will actually turn into customers. Of course, if they do, even if you convert 1, then that's pretty damn good, right? So chances are that you'll need X amount of trials in order for 1 customer. So you got to think of it in these terms. But having said that, creating a piece of content that you can rank really easily for this for buyer intent keywords, it may not be as hard as we think. So you've got the paid, what's this one here, which is paid difficulty. It's saying that it's nearly 70%, and SEO difficulty, which unfortunately my big fat head is in the way. It's only 34%. So I think that's going to be pretty easy, right? But then there's something that gets even better. Now, again, I have already clicked on this, but because it was something I found really interesting, and I've already clicked on that keyword or this one here, which is going to take you to this page here. Now, the relevance and why I think this is awesome is, check this out. And this is why I think, now, this doesn't involve you having to set up some complex blog or anything like that. If you want to take that path, I do encourage you to do so, by the way. It's a great way to get content out there and have an asset. But there is something here. And this is why I put this whole video together, basically. I'll see if I can move my big fat head out of the way. There we go. Okay, great. All right, so have a look at that list. Is there anything that resonates and sticks out for you on that list right here? I'm going to give you a hint. It rhymes with tree. No, it's number 3, medium.com. Why is this super cool and super important? Because Medium allows you to place articles on that site. Now, Medium, if you're unfamiliar, is a huge site. There's thousands of pieces of content all over it, and anyone can write on it. Assuming you are half decent at writing, of course. It's very easy to use. Creating an article is very, very basic. You can add images, you can add custom code, you can add all sorts of stuff. Make it spruce it up, basically. And the format looks really, really nice. So when you write on that, what Google does is goes, well, okay, well, Medium's a massive website. It's already got a domain score of 98%. Basically, it's a pretty damn good website, right? 98%, or 98 score. It's not a percent, sorry, but 98 is the score. It means it's pretty good. So it means that basically, if you were to write an article that is better than the existing one, there's a chance you could rank in the top 3. Now, of course, we're looking at very low numbers. It's suggesting that there's actually only 25 visits per month. And to me, I'm like, that's nothing. But imagine if those 25 visits turns into, I don't know, even if we go on a conservative basis, and let's say that out of the 25, there's maybe 3 or let's go 5 people that wish to take up a trial. You've now just got 5 free trials. Now imagine if you're really good at following up with those people, you might end up having 1 or 2 conversions. So you've just made an extra with the new pricing structure. You just made an extra $140 per month. Plus ongoing recurring commission, of course, as well. So once again, I will remind you, if you would like to join my team, there is a link below. I'd love for you guys to be part of it. But anyway, so that's it. That's just something for you guys to think about. So what I'm going to do personally, now that I've discovered all this, I'm going to do some further research, and I'm going to see what that article is. And then I'm going to basically write something better. And my better article with a couple of backlinks pointing to it is going to kick butt and outrank this. So, because I want those 25 people on my link. I think what I offer is a good product. So anyway, what I'm going to do as the next step is I'm just actually going to go here and click on that to see what that says. You can click on that. That's going to allow you to review the actual article itself. And what you want to do is click on that, which is going to bring up this page over here. So that's the actual article itself. And let's see if I can move my head back over. Where's something better place to put it? Is it going to allow me to move it? All of a sudden, there we go. Chuck it up there. Groovy. All right, so Hopefully that's a little bit more out of the way. Okay, so here we go. We've got the actual article itself, and I'll show you guys that in a moment because it should be pretty damn easy to outrank it. No disrespect to the writer, of course. Okay, so here's the thing. It's got a couple of backlinks to it. They are rubbish from what I could see, so it means that you should be able to outrank. It's ridiculous. Chances are you could probably just go to the source of where these links are coming from, and then just add your own link once you've done it. So that's another way, and a very common way that you can actually outrank your competitors from an SEO perspective, is actually find who's linking to them, write a better piece of content, and make a suggestion that they link to, or just go there. A lot of them are just free links as per like article comments, things like that. So I'm almost certain the fact these are three from the exact same place, but just looking at the domain score, it's probably not even worth it. A domain score of 1, it means that it's a crap domain anyway. And I think from memory, it didn't have a whole bunch of social properties to it. So, all right, so now I'm going to bounce over to the actual article itself. I want to see exactly what it looks like. All right, so I've got like I always loathe these types of headlines, to be honest, but I'll explain a little bit about it. So we've got Builderall, that's a keyword. Free trial, it's a keyword. Get 7 days free. So that is basically three keywords in one. So two of the same keywords in one in the title. So that's really powerful, really. You don't want to be keyword stuffing per se, but it obviously works. Trial, bad grammar already. There's no space there. I made 5,190 promoting Builder. Whether they did or not, who knows? Maybe they did. But I find that really clickbaity and spammy, and unfortunately, well, no, actually, fortunately, you can't sort of promote it as a make money online tool. They're trying to lean more towards the fact that it is a really strong, powerful marketing tool. So, which I admire. Having said that, you can make a bunch of money out of it as well through the affiliate program. So once again, join my team. It's going to be awesome. All right, so they're using SlideShare. So what they've done is they've created a very basic PDF. SlideShare is free. It's actually owned by LinkedIn. You can actually just upload slides to it as a PDF, or as a presentation, I should say. And then they've embedded that. So like I mentioned, you can embed things. So you can embed videos, you can embed images, all sorts of stuff there, right? So they've just got something there with giving a little bit of info. And then I don't know. This just it kind of I find it painful. Builderall platform is the most new buzz in digital marketing. That doesn't even make sense. Bad grammar, capitalized there. That's like, I don't know why. Not that I'm really a grammar Nazi or anything, but I just think I look at this and I'm like, this is great for us. For anyone that's following along, this is perfect. So if you see an article from me, you might go, oh, that's crap. I can outdo that as well. So that's my challenge to anyone. Take action on what I'm about to teach you guys. So sign in for a blah, 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 blah. Again, this is, I mean, it's like it's tiny. Yeah, it's a tiny article. Like, I mean, of course, anyone, if you spend 20 minutes writing out a decent article and putting it on Medium, which you can do really easily, I mean, anyone can sign up for Medium, then you're going to have a better chance of outranking this alone based on the quality of your article. But then we're going to take it one step further. Like I say, you can actually just reverse engineer where they've got their links from, like I mentioned, using Ubersuggest, and then just get a couple of those links yourself. So that is the process. That is the process. Now, if you want to learn how to become an affiliate for Builderall, like I say, last time I'm going to mention this, feel free to join my team. There's a link below to get all the resources available for that. In the meantime, that's it. Basically, it's a really basic process. You do some research, and I encourage you not to skip over the research phase at all, but you do some research. You go and find what's already ranking. Again, not overly difficult, but it is time consuming. And then you just produce better content. It's as simple as that. And then if you want to, you can take it a step further by adding a couple of links. But the fact that Medium itself is a very high authority domain, you probably won't even need to go down that step, because Google will look at this content and go, bad grammar, syntax is out of place, it's kind of crap anyway. No disrespect if anyone ever watches that's produced, I'm sorry. No, I'm not. You should work at your grammar. Yeah, and in the meantime, we can then just produce a better quality article. So, and then hopefully purely based on that, Google will say, okay, well, that one's clearly better written and makes more sense, and it's longer, and actually provides some value for the person that bothers to read it. It's not just like, hey, here's a link, you should buy it. As I did, as I was trying to pitch you guys before, but it actually provides some value along the way. Hopefully, you guys have received some value from this video and will take action on it. Like I say, nothing's going to change unless you do. So, that's it for me today, guys. Hopefully, you got some value. I'm going to go and actually implement what I'm teaching here, and hopefully, you guys do the same. I do encourage you to look beyond just things like Builderall. Have a look at other products that are out there. Some of the big ticket items, have a look at those as well. Things that are launching, have a look at those, and just jump on it. Medium's a great place. You're going to be able to rank a lot easier than if you were setting up just your own blog, because you don't really need anything. It's already a high authority blog. You just put content on it, and Google will go, okay, don't mind ranking that at all. So there you go. That's the process. Follow suit, take action, and hopefully you guys got some value. My name is Jamie G. I appreciate you watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.